The number one mistake most fitness sales reps make and how to prevent it. That call alone could be worth thousands in commissions for you. But first, get the cards, get the words, and get the wins. Now let me ask you this. What would it be worth to get 20 years of my sales experience, selling gym memberships, personal training, boot camps, nutrition, supplements, and online coaching, and put all that knowledge on overcoming objections into a deck of cards you can literally hold in your hands? Don't you think that could help you close an extra couple sales a day? Or even just one more sale a week? Even in the worst case scenario, if these cards helped you close one more deal a month, wouldn't that extra commission alone be worth it? Because every sale you don't make isn't just lost money, it's another person staying stuck. Obesity, heart disease, depression, cancer, the very things we know fitness helps prevent. So if you won't do it for yourself to make more money, at least do it for the people you'll meet on the sales calls. They'll need you at your best to help them make a decision to finally change their life. These cards will help you close more deals, make more money, and help more people without ever feeling pushy or salesy. You're one click away from changing your sales career forever. Click the button and let's get started.